So we start off today's video with a major hair transformation. She ended up shaving her hair and going platinum. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some amazing long to short transformations. Here we have a gorgeous pixie, and the stylist did an asymmetrical undercut pixie for this one. Absolutely gorgeous. She looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair transformations within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. Nice classic bob haircut. So the client started off with long curly hair for this one and ended up getting this curly pixie. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we once again see someone with long waist length hair. And she decided to switch it up with this beautiful lob haircut. And then we have a pixie hair transformation. Stylist is doing a gorgeous sandy blonde pixie for this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a beautiful cut and color refresh. So the stylist cut the hair into the bob, and then he's going back in with some color. Wow. That was an absolute gorgeous lavender bob. And then we have a lob haircut here. The stylist is doing a nice blunt cut with this one. Nice, simple, and chic. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone that has waist length hair yet again. She's getting a cut and color. Beautiful face framing highlights, blonde. Nice, simple, and chic makeover. So this client is also getting a lob haircut. Now she has really pretty curly natural hair, so she can wear this bob curly or straight. And the color within the bob just looks absolutely stunning. Her hair has so much body. Oh, I love this makeover. Nice French girl style bob, bottleneck bangs. Very nice. And then we have a pixie cut. This one features a really nice feathered back, beautiful texture, very nice. Next up, we have someone who has red hair, red and black, and they are going to be getting a wolf cut. And this is another great option if you're looking to add some layers and texture to your hair. I think with the color, it really just looks amazing with the cut. So cute and chic. So then we have another long to short transformation. She starts off with the shoulder length hair. And she's decided to mix it up with a pixie style. Oh, absolutely gorgeous transformation. She looks amazing. I love it when a stylist knows how to frame the face well when they do a haircut. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.